Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by going straight into the play call and pressing the motion button, no extra menus. Once the formation is live, pick a player eligible to motion like a WR or RB. This is crucial because only eligible positions can execute pre-snap motion reliably. Make sure you have the play selected where motion is legal, then press and hold the motion input to prime the move. You're initiating movement now, so the defense will react and create matchup advantages before the snap. You control direction with the left stick or D-pad, push toward the boundary for outside motion, inward for crossing or straight back for jet-style runs, and don't hesitate to tap for a quick burst. Once done, you can hold the motion input to carry the player farther pre-snap and manipulate safeties. This helps create man coverage conflicts. Pay attention to how the defense shifts during movement, because their reaction tells you whether to snap immediately or adjust the play at the loss. You want to snap the ball when the motion has forced the defensive look you want, timing routes around that movement for maximum separation. This is the payoff of the motion. If the defense counters, make quick adjustments, hot route, audible or shift protection, and then snap. If motion doesn't initiate, check controller bindings and confirm the selected player is eligible. Sometimes latency or a wrong formation prevents motion. One key troubleshooting tip: reassign motion button if input conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.